No Shave November, holiday beard shopping. I entirely get there's going to be a lot of people searching for beard kits or a one-stop shop to get what they need, whether they're buying for themselves for kind of the first time or they're buying for someone else that likely doesn't do a lot of shopping for themselves with beard stuff. And I understand on this channel, I have tons of recommendations as far as companies and scents and products and tools. It can be overwhelming. I get it. It's a vast sea of great options out there. And if somebody isn't familiar with what they want or with what somebody else wants or needs, they just get overwhelmed and then just leave. I wanted to find a kit that was perfect for anybody that was getting started or buying for someone that was getting started. And this is not an ad. This company did not tell me to cover this and make this video. It is an affiliate of mine, right? If you guys want to save some money, DanC20 is your affiliate discount code. Save you guys some on top of the deals that go on. Support the platform, but that's beside the point, just to give full transparency there. I wanted something that was affordable and had everything that they needed to start. Now, is it the ultimate solution in the end line? No, of course not. But getting started, I think I found the perfect kit. 3 items, and this is, I believe they call it the Beardsman Kit, and this is from Volt Lifeproof Grooming, and it's very simple, you guys. There is a Boar's brush, beard wash, and beard oil. Now, I believe it goes for $45 on the website, but right now it's marked down to $29 at the time of filming. I don't know if that's going to stay. I don't know if that's going to be out there when this video launches, but as of right now, it's down to $29. I do also believe you can use the discount code on top of that for another 20% off, and this is for 3 different items. Even just on the website, $29, less than $10 per item. That's crazy when you look at the quality of the beard oil, the quality of the unique caffeine-based beard wash, a really good, nicely branded, good quality brush here. It does say brush here, wash on that one. Absolutely crazy. It like stopped me in my tracks. I didn't believe the price. I had to take out my phone and double check, and that's not just talk. I really couldn't believe that. This is the way to start. If you were to message me 6 months ago and say, Dan, my boyfriend is growing his beard for the very first time. He doesn't know what he needs to take care of it. He doesn't like to do a whole lot of stuff. What would be the bare minimum? Quite literally for years now, I've said beard wash, beard oil, and especially at the beginning, beard brush. This is going to help you exfoliate. It's going to spread the product. It's going to start to train the hairs in the direction you want to go. You need to clean your face. You need to clean your beard every single day. This is a good, gentle daily beard wash. And morning and night, when you get started, we talk about butter down the line, guys. We're not trying to confuse them. When you get started, beard oil, morning and night, always after every shower. That's it. I don't recommend using conditioner right away. I don't recommend using balm right away. I don't recommend using butter right away. None of those matter at the start. This is the perfect kit, and I didn't even suggest this for them. They created this on their own. Comes in a nice little box. I'll probably put it up over here in editing. I'm not going to drag this out anymore. If you're looking for a kit of high quality beard products for someone or yourself, this is an unbelievable option. Give it a look, you guys. Down below, any experiences with Volt is greatly appreciated if you leave a comment. Any questions, I'd love to be able to help you guys out. My name's Dan, by the way. If you found this entertaining or helpful, quick little thumbs up. It's free. Thank you guys for watching. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.